Hello, students. Welcome to the third module of 20th century. In today's session, we are going to understand the term symbolism. And after going through the entire session of the symbolism, you will be able to comprehend the meaning and significance of symbolism and its style. You will be able to identify the symbols in literary text with reference to symbolism. In literature, symbolism is used to produce an impact, which it accomplishes by attaching additional meaning to an action, object, or name. In other words, we can say symbolism allows a writer to convey something to their audience in a poetic way instead of saying it outright. Let's understand with the help of examples. If I ask you to identify these images, I'm pretty much sure that you all know the first symbol is a symbol of recycling, second is part of an on symbol, third is a like button, fourth is an icon of tweet, fifth is no parking zone, sixth is no U-turn, seventh, narrow road, and eighth, school ahead. And you all know that all these symbols are well known to each and everyone in India and abroad. Anyone who will see these symbols, they all will comprehend the same meaning. But if I ask you to observe this picture, then you will be able to identify on the basis of context. If you are asking me to comprehend, then I'll say a child is lying on the ground with a woman. A person standing on his boat with the fishing device, but he's very dull. Maybe he's facing some financial problems. And due to the connection of each and everything which I said, I can easily say that this picture is representing a poor fisherman and his family. Let's understand in different way also. An apple with three different meanings. I'll show you how. You all know it's an apple, but in India and abroad, anywhere in the country, in the world, everyone will say it is an apple. But the meaning of this apple is being changed due to the context. Just see. See the first picture? Adam and Eve. You all know what happened. I don't need to discuss. Second picture, Snow White. You all have studied that story and the intention behind that apple. And the third, an apple for Isaac Newton. This particular apple representing the invention. So now, in nutshell, I want to say that an apple has three meanings. In first image, it is representing the intention. The second image, it is representing the temptation. And in the third image, it is representing the invention. So you all can easily understand the image, the name, the object differs from one object to another object. That's why we are using symbolism. And just to understand in better clarity, I wish to tell you that symbolism allows writers to suggest layers and layers of meaning, the possibilities that a simple literal sentence could never convey. It also conveys the complex ideas in a simple image, in a simple symbol. It also connects stories and its themes without any complexity. And above all, it shows instead of telling anything. We can visualize after looking at the symbols. And if I asked you After learning what is symbolism and how it impacts, then you can easily identify the symbols. The very first thing I wish to tell you, if you're going to identify the symbols, you are required to summarize the text or chapter very well and try to identify the repeated themes, the object, and its usage in that particular text. And then the third one, you need to think very carefully, what could this object stand for? And if you follow these three stages, then definitely you are going to understand the meaning of symbol written in any literary text. I hope you all have understood the meaning, the impact, and its significance in any literary text. Hope to see you in the next session of 20th century. Thank you.